Long ago, nestled by rolling hills, there was a quiet little village, and in the very center of this village, in the middle of the square, sat a drum. But this was no ordinary drum. It was magical. Known as the drum of many hands, its surface was round and smooth, glowing softly like the full moon. It waited patiently, holding a secret. It would only make a sound when many children beat it all together. In this village lived for inseparable friends, Ava, Ethan, Mia, and Lucas. They all shared a love for music, rhythm, and especially for dancing. One bright morning, Ava approached the mysterious drum. She raised her small hand and tapped it gently. Tap, tap, taps, but there was no sound. The drum remained completely silent. Ethan, ever confident, decided to try next. He tapped with a bit more force, tap, tap, tap. Still, nothing. The drum was as quiet as the morning mist. Mia, watching with a thoughtful frown, approached and tapped it with a light touch, tap, tap. Again, silence. The drum did not sing its song. Finally, Lucas laughed. Let me try. He tapped with all his might, tap, tap, but even his strength couldn't wake the drum. It stayed perfectly silent. The four friends looked at each other, puzzled. Why won't it play? Ava wondered aloud. Maybe it's broken, suggested Ethan. No, Mia whispered, placing her hand on its smooth surface. It feels alive. Lucas nodded in agreement. It must have a secret, he said. That night, as the silver moon cast a gentle light over the village square, the children gathered around the silent drum. They listened to the soft whisper of the wind and gazed up at the twinkling stars. And then, a soft voice seemed to rise from the drum itself. It spoke, not with a sound, but in their hearts. I am the drum of many hands, it said. One hand alone can make no sound, but many hands together, they make music. Only unity can bring joy. The children gasped. Their eyes wide with wonder, they finally understood. A smile spread across their faces. The very next morning, they raced back to the village square. Ava placed her hand on the drum, then Ethan placed his hand right beside hers. Mia joined in, and then Lucas. Together, all at once, they tapped a tap a tap a tap a tap. A soft glow began to emanate from the drum's taps, 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 tap. Then it began to sing. The sound was magical, unlike anything they had ever heard. It was deep and strong, yet bright and gentle. The beautiful music filled the entire village, wrapping every house in its joyful melody. The grown-ups heard it and came running out of their homes. They listened, and soon they were all dancing and laughing in the square. The children kept playing, their hands moving in perfect rhythm, their hearts beating as one. The drum sang louder and louder, its music spreading over the hills and through the valleys. From that day forward, the children never forgot the drum's lesson. If one child tried to play it alone, it would stay silent, but when many hands joined together, the drum would sing its beautiful song of unity. They learned a profound secret. Cooperation is like music. It needs many voices, many hearts, and a deep respect for teamwork to create something beautiful. Every evening, Ava, Ethan, Mia, and Lucas would gather at the drum. They invited other children, friends, and even their neighbors to join them. Together, they would play, the drum would glow, the drum would sing, and the whole village would dance. The magical drum taught them a timeless truth: unity and working together bring the greatest joy and success. This was a MoonLesson. Sweet dreams, little dreamers.